We just had one of those hard summer rains, and now the skies have brightened. What could possibly be more beautiful? Look at the butterflies in the milkweed after a summer rain. My God. Man, what a mess. Blame this on the bears. Okay, we'll fix that later. Yeah, I cleaned it up. I did it with my bare hands. Look at that. Look at my fingernails. They're a mess. Oh, God, the woods are sloppy. Okay, let's keep exploring. Oh, God, I got my work cut out for me. Look at that line of mugwort. I cleaned this area out, hoping that the milkweed would spread. That's probably take another year, but I really got to get to work in that section. Pray for me. Oh my God. Oh, look at the berries. Berry season is approaching. Oh, nothing more beautiful than the berries getting ready to finally return after a long year of absence. Nothing is more heavenly than a path in the woods after a summer rain. Wow. Wow. A bird after a summer rain. Look at this spot. You ever see a more perfect woods after a summer rainstorm? I've discussed this in prior videos, but this little spot in this log, when it's filled with water, shows the great beauty of the rain in the woods. Look at this little curve in the trail. Don't you just love it? Isn't it perfect? I believe so. And of course, we can't forget the heavenly, insane level of beauty of the ferns after a rainstorm. Let's explore the groundhog burrow after a summer rain. I know you're in here. Come out and join us for some fun.